We'll guide you through how to use the Wix mobile editor to ensure your website looks great on any device. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Wix account on a desktop and navigate to the site dashboard of the website you want to edit. Once you're there, click on Edit Site to open the Wix editor. At the top of the Wix editor, you'll see a toggle switch between desktop and mobile. Click on Mobile to switch to the mobile editor. This is where you can start optimizing your site for mobile devices. You'll notice that the interface is slightly different from the desktop version, and that's because it's tailored to help you create the best mobile experience. You can rearrange elements simply by clicking and dragging them to your desired location. If an element doesn't fit well on the mobile version, you can hide it by selecting the element, clicking on the Hide button, which looks like an eye icon. This will not affect the desktop version, so don't worry about losing content. You can also customize the mobile menu by clicking on it and selecting Set Mobile Menu to adjust items and design settings. Remember, the changes you make in the mobile view will only affect how your site appears on mobile devices, not the desktop version. Once you're satisfied with the mobile layout, make sure to click Publish to save all your changes. It's always a good idea to preview your site on an actual mobile device to ensure everything looks right. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.